It's Carissa Bodner's birthday. She created this amazing brand called Thrive that I'm obsessed with, and I thought that I would do a little video. I just took a shower, so I didn't have time to do hair, but this is because I love Carissa, and I wanted to show you some of my favorite products from Thrive. I'm gonna start out with the Audrey. This is the Audrey Infinity Waterproof Brow Pencil, and I love how thin it is. And so I'm just filling in a couple little gaps, you know, just a little bit. It's very natural. I feel a little Bob Rossy right now, like being super like little trees. But it's late and I had to get this video done because I love Carissa. Happy birthday, Carissa. These are two of my favorite palettes. These two. Number 3, number 2. This has like a purpley gold situation. And what I like is she also puts like prime, lid, intensity, contour. So let's follow along and see what that looks like. This is the prime. So we put this on first, put it all over the eye. Just gives it like a little wash, nothing serious. Just kind of even everything out. And then the next thing said lid, so we're putting this gold right on the lid. You see how you can put on makeup with just your fingers. Like, it's pretty amazing. So I'm just putting this on, getting in the crease and blending a little bit. Then intensify, just like an eyeliner, or just like a little on the lid. Just a little bit on the lid. And then I'm gonna take the contour color. I'm actually gonna use that on the outside and kind of blend it in. Now I love putting down eyeshadow before I put any kind of eyeliner on. It kind of blends it, so if your eyeliner ends up being like a little bit harsh, it's okay. A little extra foundation on this brush. Oh, I just got it on my hair thing. Oopsie doopsie. This is my favorite blush. This is the Rosie. I'm like obsessed with this brush. I mean, you can see I've been using a lot. And here's the brush that it comes with. And it has the perfect amount of color and highlighter in one, so you don't have to do 2 steps. Now I am missing my eye brightener in Stella that I'm obsessed with, but it's in my kit. Now if I'm looking okay without any hair did, it's a good day. There's a bunch of glosses that I love from them. I did one that was named after my mom called Ruth, which is my favorite. And then I think I'm gonna do Pamela. Pamela is like this really pretty, easy, kind of a lip color in its own right. And I love the Stow Foot applicator, and I also love how moisturizing these lip glosses are. There are many more products that I like from this line, but these are some of my favorites. Again, the fact that I could make myself look good without any hair is a blessing. It's because of Thrive. So I just want to wish Carissa a very happy birthday, and I love you and everything you do for everyone because you're so giving, and you always have been, and since I met you. Thrive rules. If you don't know about it, you better get on that bus, baby. Have a great day. Bye.